when our relationship started, the first title I gave to you was LinkedIn expert.
Yes, sir.
Because I just started using LinkedIn because everybody knows about Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I have 3 accounts: the Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then, but LinkedIn, in May of last year, I discovered it. I always had my staff had given me an account, but I never used it. Right. Why should I be using that account?
So you should be using it for 3 reasons, and I call it the 3 abilities: visibility, credibility, and profitability.
Okay, cool. Let's start with the visibility.
Yeah, so if you're in business, and even in yourself in terms of a radio show, if no one knows you exist, they won't listen to you. If you're looking to attract new clients, if they don't know you exist, they can't pay you. And so the key for us as entrepreneurs, even as those who are job seekers, we need to be visible so that we can attract our ideal client that will allow us to operate in our gifts. So LinkedIn allows us to do that.
So it's really interesting. So you're telling me LinkedIn is more of a career account.
It started out as a career building website. So it allowed for job seekers to connect with recruiters, and then it just exploded into a marketplace. And so as a result, more and more people start to use it to do business, to exchange ideas, and to obtain employment.